Hello students, here is your EVS teacher. As you all know, we are doing our lesson 6 and covered the first two classification as well. In the first, where houses are separated on the basis of size, small house and big house. In the second, houses are separated according to the material used, kacha house and pakka house. Now in the third one, houses are separated on the basis of their mobility. It means houses are separated according to the flexibility or the strength they have, as some of the houses can be easily moved from one place to another place. So that's why under this classification the houses are categorized into two types: temporary house, permanent house. Let's talk about these two, discuss them and know the difference. Temporary house. The houses that can be moved from one place to another are called temporary houses. Now, what they are saying, these type of houses can be moved from, they can be easily moved from one place to another place. Astonishing, definitely. Now let's have an example of the houses: houseboats, caravans, tents, etc. These houses can be moved from one place to another. Boat house. A normal boat modified into a house. You can see these type of houses near the coastal areas, and it has all the basic facilities that a normal house have. Traditional caravan. Traditional word is used for the olden times, like past time. In the past time, the caravan used are like this. It is shown here, made up of wood. Nowadays, caravans are the normal cars. Difference is that they are little bit, or they are larger in size, and they have the facilities like cooking equipments as well as beds to take rest. Caravans are used by the travelers who travel from one place to another place. That's what we are discussing here. The houses that can be moved, and they have all the facilities need for a one in a house. Tent. Tent is what? It is a type of a cloth which can be modified or changed into a house. How? As it is stretched or tied to the poles. It is this type of house is used by the mountaineers during their camping, and where they can easily live in. This is all about the temporary house. Now the second, permanent house. The houses that cannot be moved from one place to another are called permanent houses. Like your house, it cannot be moved. For example, villa, mansion, castle, bungalow, apartment, etc. Villa, mansion, very large houses. Castle, here it is. House, these type of houses were made in the past time. They were built for the king of that, or the ruler of that time. Bungalow, apartment. Houses, one above the other, Different families live there. Apartments you can see in the urban areas, big cities. So this is all about the third classification. Now the second topic, good house. Features of a good house, that is qualities of a good house. Let's read them. A good house should be neat and clean. It should be properly maintained, properly cleaned. It should have plenty of fresh air and sunshine. Plenty, a lot of. It should have a lot of fresh air and sunshine. How it is possible? If that type of house has a lot of doors, windows that allow the sunshine to get in. It must have ventilators that allow the fresh air to pass in. It should have trees nearby. Trees help to clean the environment. It makes the environment clean and green. A good house should have a dustbin to throw waste things. Now, the next. Rooms in a house. There are different rooms in a house. Each room has a different use. You all know there are so many rooms in a house and each room has its own purpose and its own use. So let's have a look at different rooms. Bedroom, a room to take rest and sleep. Living room, where you meet your guest, you entertain your guest, you talk with them. Bathroom, to wash, to take bath, to clean up yourself. Dining room, to have meals where all your family members get together and you eat together. A study room, to study books. A kitchen, to cook food, where your mother cooks delicious food for you. So this is all about our today's video. I hope it is clear to you. Thanks and have a nice day.